Say hi, people. Say hi, people. Are you ready to record? Are you ready? Are you ready? Say, let's do this. That's right. Get hype. Get hype. Let's do this. I need you to put that game face on and sound record. You ready? Are you ready? Yeah? You are? Good. Mwah.
Wagwan, massive.
What's been up, people? How everybody been, man?
Yeah.
How has everybody been? I know it's been a minute, y'all. We've been, we've been doing our thing, okay? The world.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
She been keeping us busy. She a handful already, I'm telling you. See, look at you.
Look, you want your mama now?
She thinks she runs stuff around these parts.
She kind of do, I ain't gonna lie.
Don't look at the boobies, because we on camera. Don't look at the boobies. You see what I'm talking about? She want what she want when she want it.
If she don't get it, it's a problem. I can't do about that.
But you gotta wait.
Okay, come on, follow me.
You see this?
Ah!
You see what I gotta deal with on a daily basis, 24/7? It ain't right. I need to break y'all.
Did she like those milk jugs? Her food truck.
Help me. I'm not okay.
Say hi. Say hello. Say wagwan, Matthew. No, not today.
She's trying to figure out what is this bright old light and why is it a camera in her face?
Mm-hmm. But anyways, y'all, help knock the dust off this channel. Leave a like. Go down and just say something. Say something.
Girl.
Say hello. Oh, she my chain?
Yes.
Say hello. Leave your name. Leave your age or something. We ain't scared to tell our ages. I am 27 years old.
No, don't talk about my age. You'll never tell a lady's age. Don't do that.
She 19.
That's what we not about to do.
She 19.
That's right. Yeah.
She 19.
Yeah. Forever 19. Yeah.
And this one right here, y'all, she is now 8 months. Can y'all believe that?
Well, at 12 o'clock she is.
Well, yeah, 12 o'clock tonight should be 8 months. Man. Getting big, y'all. She already weigh over 20 pounds. Jeez, hey, stop trying to eat my necklace. That's why. That's why she weigh over 20 pounds. Look at her trying to eat my necklace.
Kalena. Come here. You gotta let mommy and daddy do their video, okay? You gonna be a good girl? Yeah. You gonna be a good girl? Yes, girl. Yes, mama. Yeah, there you go. Yes, baby. Yay!
Anyways, y'all, she got her ears pierced at 3 months. So we got a lot of videos to catch up with y'all on. We actually been recording, we just haven't been posting. So here's one of the videos from 6 months ago when she got.
Well, it wasn't 6 months because she was 3 months old.
3 months.
So it'd be 5 months.
5 months ago. 5 months ago when she got her cute little ears piercing. So check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and let us know what y'all think. Say, let's get to the video. Alrighty, we are here at the mall. A little chilly out, and we forgot her car seat. So,
her stroller.
Oh yeah, that's right. We got her stroller. We got the car seat, of course. So we got to manually carry this almost 20-pound baby. Yes, we do. What's this look like? Hey, you ready? Are you ready for this? I'm not ready for it. Well, are you ready? It's looking like, bro, let's just get this over with. I don't care. He said, y'all the ones making a big deal about this.
I'm not making a big deal. You are. Her daddy making a big deal. So that's you, Dada.
Alright. I'll get it done there.
Oh no, you're not gonna make me do it to the baby, are you?
Yes. Don't act like her dad.
You're not gonna make me do it to the baby, are you?
Yes, I am. Yes. 3 months. What kind of earrings do you guys have?
It's terrifying. Terrifying.
The baby earrings are in that doesn't. They
My
don't
poor
ever just-
baby.
Oh,
Start
okay.
crying here soon. Look at that fish. She always get that fish bowl. Look. She ready to scrap. We want her to get white gold. But they don't have it in the baby size. They got it in the adult size, but or the standard size, but not the baby size. So I'm gonna get her 14 karat gold in the baby size.
She is knocked out. She likes sour pieces. I know. For now. Okay, how do you want me to hold her? Front ways like this? Yeah. I should probably stand because this chair is moving a lot. And she's a fighter.
Oh, she throw them hands. She's very strong.
She's very strong. So she will punch you, I'm telling you right now.
You know what? I'm actually gonna ask her if she wants to take this one. I fought enough babies. Honestly, like I've
I'll
had
hold her
kids
hands like
kick
this.
me.
She only 3 months. Oh, she alright.
But I'm gonna do that, and then see if she hurts me. Gosh, what's going on over there? That's so interesting right there. Nothing I'm doing is intriguing.
She's like,
at all.
wait a minute, lady, who are you?
She said,
I don't
"Hold
know
on."
you.
Oh my gosh, what's he doing? He's trying to take a picture of you.
Let me just hold her head a little bit.
Yeah.
There we go.
Please don't start crying. One of your arms is gonna hold.
But do you want to hold her? Because you're stronger than I am to hold her down.
Are you gonna be able to hold it? Down like this, both arms, and the other one push you. Put it on your forehead.
No. Hold on, Mama. Hold on. It's okay, Mama. It's okay.
Oh, you breaking my heart. Stop. Oh my God. Oh. All right, baby. Mommy's sorry. Oh, you look so cute though. Mommy's sorry. Oh, Bobby. It's probably burning. What is it?
So saline solution.
Okay.
Come on.
Oh, Mommy's so sorry. But look at your new earrings. You look so cute. See? Yes. It's not that bad, is it? She done crying. See, that's it. It's just the pain at first and then it's over with. Oh, you so cute though.
Do they say the angle?
Yeah.
So are they gonna be at an angle, or they're gonna stay straighten out eventually, or?
Usually the
babies are a little bit. I don't know why.
Okay.
Is it because of the back?
Probably they so little, they don't grow into it.
Yeah, probably.
Probably just not having
Yeah. Because it's not like out yet. It's still down a little bit.
all the big ones are like slightly.
Slant. Okay.
Put her blanket on there.
Okay. Mommy gonna give you some pain reliever, okay?